So in this tutorial today I'm going to show you how to crochet around a ring. Now this could be a curtain ring, a bracelet, something big like an embroidery hoop, or even a big thick chunky wreath. The principle is the same whatever you're crocheting around. Obviously you'll just need to change the kind of yarn that you use and the hook that goes with that. So we're going to start with, I've got a double knit yarn and a 3.5mm hook and just an old wooden curtain ring, and I'm going to tie a slip knot with the tail end of the yarn and pop that on the hook, and then we're going to take the working yarn as usual, tension that around our fingers and hold our ring. Now you probably need to hold the slip knot with your finger, and then we're going to put the hook into the ring so that the ring kind of rests on the top of the hook. Then we're going to grab the yarn and pull it through. Now this first stitch can be a little bit tricky, so then we're going to yarn over and we're going to pull through the loop and the slip knot. Okay, and we're just going to repeat that again. So putting the hook through the ring, grabbing the yarn, bringing our hook so that it's on the top of the ring, yarn over and pull through just like you would in a normal double crochet, and again yarn over, pull through, so hook in the ring, yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull through those two, and just keep working your way around in the same way. If you find that the stitch here, like this one, is looking a bit big, what you can do is just tension the yarn with your finger and just give the hook a little wiggle and it will tighten up. But if you're making a wreath or something else, it's more than likely you're going to be crocheting into these stitches, so you don't want to pull them too tight because you won't be able to get your hook into them. So just try and keep them at a normal tension and don't worry too much about getting this really tight. So we're just going to keep going all the way around. Okay, so just keep working around the ring and I'll show you what to do when you get to the end. So I've crocheted round and it looks totally enclosed. You can't really see much of the ring left. But what you need to do is push the stitches apart just so that it tightens up just that a little bit more, just to make it easier, just to do a few more stitches in this gap. Now we're not looking to close this gap, but we're looking to just do a few extra ones just to make it that little bit neater, and if the stitches were so close together like this we would find it really difficult, so you'll find that there is room to squeeze this apart. Okay, and then maybe do, say, another 6 or 8 stitches in this gap. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now it will also depend on, if you're working with a pattern, how many stitches they've asked you to do. So if you find that you need to do another few extras but it's difficult to fit them in, just again slide it a little bit further. Now it's getting quite tight around here now, so I don't need that many stitches on there. So once you've finished and you're happy with the number of stitches that you've got, or you've got the correct amount from your pattern, then just gently tease it back together, even it out, and there you go, you've got a lovely crocheted ring.